I bet you didn't know that an old rusting car could become a masterpiece again. Let's take a journey through time with Classic Revival. Here at Classic Revival, we breathe new life into vintage cars. Picture this, a neglected classic, rusting away, transformed into a gleaming, timeless beauty. Our journey begins with skilled mechanics, boasting over 20 years of experience. From engine renewals to meticulous bodywork and painting, we handle every detail with precision and care. Each car tells a story, and we make sure it's one worth telling. Our personalized approach means we listen to your vision and bring it to life. Here, you're not just a client, you're part of the restoration journey. And transparency is key. With clear and understandable pricing, you'll know exactly where your investment goes. No surprises, just exceptional value for money. The moment of truth. Handing over the keys to a satisfied customer, watching their eyes light up as they see their dream car restored. That's what drives us. So whether it's a vintage classic or a high-performance racer, trust Classic Revival to deliver guaranteed quality and cutting-edge technology. Come visit us in Lithuania at Aero 11, Siolai, and let's revive the classics together. Classic Revival, preserving automotive heritage, one masterpiece at a time.